Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Minecraft Java not booting mode error on your Windows PC or laptop and how you can fix this up. Right now this issue is happening for many users. As you can see that I have cross-checked in the Reddit and many users are having the same issue. So 4 days ago even many users reported. So we're going to talk about how you can fix this up. So we have a very simple solution. It's all about you just have to click on this PC. Now from here just have to go to local disk C, and from here you just have to find program files 86, and from here you just have to go to Minecraft. Just have to open this. Now from here you just have to click on configuration folder, and from here as you can see there is a better cave, right? So you just have to select this, right click, and you have to delete this. And before deleting I would like to make you notice that you just have to copy. What I mean is just have to copy it in cases, if it's deleted you just have to copy it. So it is very important that make a copy first in case you need to undelete it. So you just have to make a copy of it and you can delete it, and once after that you just have to close this up and you just have to see, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.